Hi everybody. Puppy kisses. I am in my garden. We have just gotten over 1.5 inches of rain. My sister's dog has gone home. My squirrel friend right there is excited because now he can come back in my yard and eat. And I have something exciting to share with you. So exciting to share with you. Ready for this? Look at that. I've had this strawberry plant since the spring, this one and these, and every single time there is a strawberry on my plant, I don't get to eat it because the squirrels get them. So guess what? I get to eat this one. So sweet. Well, no wonder why the squirrels love them. So I'm going to share it with. Hey, Wiggles, want a berry? Come here. Dude, did you just hear that? It was a hummingbird. Buzzed the tower, man. And then also another exciting thing. Let me rush over here. Watch for dog poop that's in the yard. Look at this. This is my strawberry blonde sunflower. I planted about 8 of these seeds. Some are over at the church. But look how pretty this is. Just a little tiny cutting sunflower. It's only about 4 feet tall. And then this one over here has already bloomed and is open. Look at this one. Oh, hi, squirrel. Look at that. Oh my God. That is such a beautiful, beautiful sunflower. I can't even believe it. So I hope I'm going to be able to figure out how to harvest the seeds out of these because I think I spent $5 on like 15 seeds. So let's get that little squirrel something to eat. Hi, Wiggles. Come on. Come on, Wiggles. Come here. Here it is. Come here. Wiggles. Come here. Where'd he go? Way over there. Finally, he got a peanut. He's happy. I can't even believe all the wonderful surprises I found coming out here, other than dog poop. I found a delicious strawberry. I tried to share it with my squirrel. He wanted nothing to do with it. And some kind of like eagle sounding noise. Oh my gosh. What is that? What's happening? Let's see if we can get this hummingbird. Got him. Hi. Hi.